Hi, everybody. It's Mike from Hear the Watchmen. My wife, Jeannie, and I are the founders of the Hear the Watchmen conference, and we want to thank you for choosing our on-demand streaming option to watch the Remnant Warrior conference here in Grapevine, Texas. Folks, what I want you to know is this. We do what's called a delayed stream, which means that when the first speaker goes, about an hour later, that entire session will be up, and then every session follows thereafter. So when you look at the schedule on our website, hearthewatchmen.com, add an hour or two to that Central Standard Time before your videos will start to appear. Once your videos start to appear, all you need to do is go to your Vimeo account and sign in, and you will see them starting to populate in your account, and then you can watch them. You have 3 months of viewing, so you have plenty of time to catch up on all the speakers and study their messages over and over again. So enjoy it. If you have any trouble at all, any problems at all, we guarantee the stream. If we can't fix it, I will refund your money. Simply email me with any questions you have to Mike Kerr. That's Mike, Kerr, 777 at gmail.com. So enjoy it, folks. Really pay attention. We're in some crazy times right now. Pay attention to what's going on there and just enjoy the show. Thank you so much. God bless each and every one of you. And we hope to see you in person in Boise, Idaho, the first weekend in September for Igniting the Fire. We'll talk to you next time. Hear the Watchmen.